Hey there, guys. Welcome back to another Chainsaw Man episode. I am here with Karin.
Hi.
Today we're going to be watching the episode we missed from last week. We're catching up. We're feeling better. It's all good. Let's go ahead and get started.
Oh yeah, she's drunk.
Wait, what? What's
She
this?
just kidnapped him.
Oh, they're rewinding it.
Yeah. They're showing how it... Stupid.
Or did she get dressed up and went and dropped him off at his place? Oh no, this is the rewinding, right?
That's her place, right? Yeah.
I'm confused because she was already on top of him.
No, that's her place. Why would she go to... Because otherwise Aki would be there if that was...
That's true. He would have been like, "Hey, yo, what the heck are you doing?" Okay, so I guess they're showing the rewind how they got there. Because she was already on top of him.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely her place. Poor thing. He's just...
Oh, messed up
Where
too.
am I?
More.
Really?
So I gotta have more. Yeah, when you drink, you get dehydrated. But I thought he didn't drink. I guess he ended up drinking.
Well, I guess through her, he
Yeah.
got drunk. Because of all that ingestion of vomit and...
POV.
Oh, gosh.
It was literally the camera.
That's not water.
It's more alcohol.
He's like, I'm tired of you.
He's like, I'm scared.
Okay, so it's basically like her point of view, like...
Yeah, on how she got there. What we saw it like she went and go take a shower, brush her teeth.
Drink more beer. He's like, oh no. I'm listening to this song.
That guy with the military hat, is he the gun dude? The guy with the military hat?
I don't know.
He looks like a chainsaw user style.
I always get lost in the opening.
So much going on.
So obedient. No!
He's not gonna do it. Should be like, no. Oh, never mind, to the back.
He's like, okay.
What?
Lollipop. Oh. Maybe she gave him that.
That's weird. Well, he have that on his boxers.
Oh, as they were leaving. This is before he got kidnapped.
I mean, it is traumatizing.
Oh.
Oh, like a sweet kiss, basically.
An indirect kiss.
Yeah. I didn't know they sell those in Japan.
Oh, she fell asleep.
Those, they sell those in Mexico, by the way. They're pretty good.
Oh.
Yeah, chocolate and vanilla. They sell them in Mexico. I used to buy those with the popsicles, manos, like hand shape. Sorry, it's just like nostalgic.
Yeah, food.
Like, sorry for assaulting you last night.
No, not at all. Oh.
Dang. That's gonna burn. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Especially about Makima.
Oof. Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say
Yeah.
he does not free. Would not refuse any food.
Mm. I was gonna say she wants Aki.
Ah,
That makes
there's
sense.
got to be a catch.
Because she's out of the picture if they're actually officially together.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense.
Is that it? Nah.
He's like, fine, I don't care. He's like, alright, it's on. That's a good alliance.
Yeah. Uh.
She's a weird one. She's an odd one.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, they're traveling. Remember? Like some sort of meeting. What the
No.
hell? Sneak attack. That was weird.
Uh-oh.
Oof.
What? I don't think that happened. Really happened. Did it? No way.
I don't think she dies. She must have some sort of power. Nah.
No. Mm-mm.
She probably went into some sort of like coma or something, but she's not dead. She has some sort of weird ability because
Yeah.
she's always giving me the creeps.
He does not like her.
Yeah, typically like red hair characters, but
She's like pink.
I see it red. I'm colorblind.
Yeah, you are colorblind.
I guess they're adding the intensity.
Mm-mm.
What the hell? There are a bunch of assassins? They're out to get them.
Yeah. What?
Oh,
Oh
no.
my gosh.
You wouldn't suspect that. I mean, you wouldn't. Shoot.
So they're just civilians.
Some kind of festival. Yeah, I guess you would think fireworks.
Truly not mate. Oh. Uh-oh.
What? It's
Talking
probably
again.
another guy. It tastes good to me. Is that the... Is he related to the old guy that died on the first episode? I think that's what it is.
Yeah, she.
Yeah, see? Oh,
Oh.
he wants payback.
Uh-oh.
They're Yakuza. Oof. He'll be fine.
Yeah, it's like he'll be fine.
Yeah. I don't know about the others though. They're human. Hmm. Nice.
Top knot.
Kill him.
Yeah.
OP. He'll be
I think
fine.
he's
He'll be
just
fine.
in
He's just
shock.
like, yeah, shock.
Oh no.
Yeah, but she took damage.
Uh-oh.
What? Nor devil. What? He's not. Oh no.
Is he like a hybrid? Like,
Oh
no
snap.
way. He's the. That's
A
not the.
sword user.
Oh no.
Sword demon? Nice. Yeah, need help. Nice. But there's some sort of weird spell, no?
Oh no.
Oh, nice. He did 3 hits. He summoned another spirit.
Yeah. Curse, he said.
Yeah. A curse. Aki has some weird ass contracts. The hell? Tsukiyomi?
Whoa.
What the heck?
What was
He did?
So he was like Denji.
Ugh. He's a Yakuza. Another enemy. That's gonna be another enemy.
What?
That probably has like a healing ability or something.
Ugh, annoying.
Yeah. That's what they impair. Yeah, he would have died.
Oh no
Oh,
no no
snap.
no.
Who cut who? Damn. Tell me he dies that fast.
No.
It's too early.
No, Denji, get up!
Oh no.
Denji, get up. You need to get up now. Come on.
He's so fast.
Oh no. Really?
Oof.
Blood. Blood. Denji. Blood. Yes. Yes. No, wait. Is that what she's thinking?
That's probably what she's thinking.
Yeah.
Unless she's passing out and she's just freaking out. contracts. Remember?
Oh.
She says basically, "I'll give you everything." So she's doing like some sort of like sacrifice.
Oh no.
What the heck? That's creepy. Sore user didn't expect that.
It's precious.
Her hand disappeared.
Yeah. He gave up her hand. Her arm.
Oof. Another one down.
Oh, come on. So her sacrifice was in vain.
Basically.
I hate you.
Well, I mean, that spirit did warn her. It's like that chick is trouble. But I guess she still wanted to try.
Yep, it consumed her.
You consume her all the way. No.
That's the end. I'm mad. No.
I mean, it's a darker anime, so of course no one's safe. They probably survived because the grandma shot, but we didn't see them get killed. Only they come back in the next episode where she uses her powers. Apparently she has a contract.
I didn't want her to die. We just got to know her better.
Right. It's episode, 8, 9? Where do you see characters die, bruh? Oh, man. I was going to say, where's the preview? But I forget
There's no preview because of the ending.
The ending.
So that ending was also the same band that... Yeah, from Tokyo Ghoul.
Yeah.
I couldn't enjoy the song. I'm mad.
I like the song. It was lit.
I don't care. I'm still mad. Why they kill her off and not Kobeni?
You like replace.
Replace.
We're probably gonna see a lot of more bitter moments. I'm not gonna lie. Like I'm ready for
it
this.
It was too soon.
I was not attached to that character. Pretty cool. We started getting to know her a little bit more.
No, yeah, we just got to know her.
But yeah. Well, we'll find out on Tuesday because we're like late for this episode.
Right.
But yeah, we're staying away from all social media.
Choco Benny instead, please.
Yeah, I hate her. Watch, you end up liking her.
No, I don't like her.
I'm indifferent. She gets on my nerves a little bit.
No,
though.
she gets on my nerves a lot.
Don't like her. She's a little too loud, no. But. All right, well, that pretty much wraps it up. I don't know. There's no way she's gonna come back from that. Literally, we just saw her use all her body as a power.
Disintegrated.
Mm-hmm. Literally. So, unfortunately. Anyway, like I said, we'll find out on Tuesday. We're definitely behind this, so it's not gonna be too long of a wait for us. She made a cute couple
with Aki.
Oh yeah, them
too. She's wild, but
yeah, she was. I mean, it kind of matched because Aki is calm and she's wild. I guess yin yang. Bing bang. So
she never got to kiss him. She never got to tell him how she felt.
But you can see on Aki he was worried about her and cared.
Oh yeah, he did.
So we're gonna probably see maybe he'll go Bankai mode next episode because I don't know what else he can do. He's damaged. Denji's gonna get up for sure.
Should have gotten up already.
Yeah. He got stunned. He got shot. He's still human.
I thought she was gonna give him blood.
That's what I thought too. That's the first thing. Like, oh, yeah. I guess it was just kind of like, well, I'm dying. Might as well use my body. I think that's what she went for instead. She could have just been like, here, eat my blood, put it in his mouth. That would have probably like revived him.
That would have been the best course of action.
Yeah. Also, what's her face?
Power?
Power, they didn't do shit.
No.
Or maybe she was too stunned.
She was too
Kinda
stunned.
like, what the hell?
What can I do?
So I didn't even see his moves. Yeah,
that's why only Aki was telling her, "Hey, do this," or I was just trying to like, you know, keep what's her name alive.
Well, too early for a character to die in my opinion, but again, this is, I heard this anime / manga was going to be brutal, so I guess we'll go that route. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. That helps out the channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos like My Hero and Spy Family. And until next time, Sanyu.
Honey.
Signing off. Bye.
Bye.